Gentlemen, I am here to present the U.S. weather forecast for today with special guest D. Def Clippard.
It's July day in Detroit, Michigan. You should expect temperatures between the mid-60s, low 70s, with a dew point about 50 Fahrenheit and a 60% relative humidity. We are looking to have a weak continental polar air mass colliding with an also weak maritime tropical air mass to create a stationary front. So you guys should expect some heavy precipitation with medium 15 to 21 mile an hour winds coming from the northwest heading southeast. Back to Shooter.
Hi, I'm Shooter McGavin, and this July day in Hilton Head, South Carolina is a lot different than it is in Michigan. Clippard, we should expect cold temperatures between 40s and 50s with the frost dew point of negative 8.3 degrees and a relative humidity of 10%. We're expecting a strong cold air mass coming from the Midwest to push warm air up from the cumulus clouds in a cold front but no storm with a weak 3 to 5 mile an hour wind coming from the west. Back to the Def Clippard.
Howdy, partners. Today in Houston, Texas, it is getting hot and humid. Expect temperatures in the mid-90s and even low hundreds. It would be a good idea to stay inside. We will have a dew point of 87.7 degrees Fahrenheit and a relative humidity of 75%. A fast-moving warm mass about to side a cool air mass forming a warm front and a cumulonimbus clouds and slight chances of rain. Average winds of 8 to 10 miles an hour coming from the north. Cut. Back to Shooter.
I'm Shooter. Today in Los Angeles, California, expect some cold temperatures between the 50s and 60s and a good chance of precipitation and thunder. There will be a dew point of about 24.1 degrees Fahrenheit and a relative humidity of 30%. Two cold air masses will push a warm air mass up, making the ground cold and forming an occluded front with winds up to 30 miles an hour coming from the Pacific.